welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm doing a different vlog. I think I haven't done this. It's kind of like my Sunday reset, day in my life slash routine. So basically a day in my life. If you're new, hi, I'm Isa. I hope you stay subscribed. I do a lot of lifestyle videos and book related videos. So right now, just FYI, I'm in a reading slump. So that's the situation. Since I can literally remember, Sundays are my favorite days of the week, like ever. I don't know why, it's just the quietest day outside in my home. Like I don't have to do a lot of stuff. It's very relaxing. Thank you so much for supporting the moving series. I'm not completely done yet. I still need to do like my apartment tour. As you guys can see, I'm sitting in my dining area, but I'm still not 100% finished. So I want to finish before I do the apartment tour. But I'm also going to do a bookshelf tour, an updated bookshelf tour, because you guys asked me to do that, and of course I love to do that, so that is gonna be in another video. It is 7:58 a.m. So today I'm basically going to run some errands, do some homework, clean the house. I want to go to the supermarket, so I have to do that, which I think I'm gonna go with my mom because I always go with my mom. I need to do laundry. I need to clean my kitchen, but it usually takes me like 1 or 2 hours, so not so much. Other thing that I have to do, homework. I have a lot of homework to do because I've been slacking with my homework so badly because of the moving, and that's basically gonna be my day. I'm gonna take you with me, and I hope you enjoy. Subscribe. I'm going to go do my skincare. I'm gonna show you what I use. And I also, maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup because I haven't done my makeup in a little while, in a few days. And you guys know that I love to do my makeup in the morning. So I'm gonna do that. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm ready and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go run some errands and I'm gonna be back. So let's go. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those. Okay, so I went to buy groceries. I put everything away. I am so excited because you guys, my favorite coffee is the Starbucks cold brew coffee that they sell in supermarkets in the US, and in Panama they only have them once a month. I'm not kidding, once a month maybe. Yeah, today I found them. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna make a coffee because yep, I need to. So I wanted to give you my coffee, I don't know, routine. So I'm going to show you how I do my coffee. It's really simple when I do have my Starbucks cold brew, but when I don't have that, I use my, I don't know what this is called, but I use this. I don't know if it's a French press. I use this, but it's really annoying that I tried to do iced coffee, but with hot coffee it kind of waters into the ice and I don't like it, so that's why I love my Starbucks coffee and it tastes so good. So this is the coffee that I'm talking about. It's the Starbucks iced coffee in medium roast unsweetened, and for creamer I use the Silk dairy-free almond creamer in vanilla, and this is my perfect combination, you guys. This is all you need. It's so good. Let's get to making coffee. I obviously need ice. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you an ice tray. I bought this ice tray and it's so cute. It's like that cow print but in ice. And my favorite glass cup at the moment is this one. This is all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, super popular. But if you live in Panama, I got them from Nordic. Nordic tiene como 3 sucursales, creo que 3, pero lo conseguí en Nordic. Si lo estás buscando en Panamá, la tienda es hermosa, me encantó. So I think I'm just going to order some food. I don't know from where, but let's see, because I'm too lazy to cook. I know I just bought groceries, but why not? I got a new recommendation from a new place here in Panama, so I want to try it. So I need to wait for it to open. It is 11:30. It opens at 12 p.m. So I need to wait, but I'm actually going to send a gift to my boyfriend because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do that. And I totally forgot that today is Super Bowl Sunday. So it's the Super Bowl and I forgot. I'm actually watching it long distance with my boyfriend, so he's watching it at his house and I'm watching it here. So, but we're gonna like FaceTime and watch it together. By the way, if you can hear that sound, it's my washer. But by the way, if you saw my last video, you saw my unboxing of the like Ditto speaker, and I'm using it and I'm loving it. Like, I actually love it so much. I actually needed a speaker. It's amazing. I love it. It's so good. And I also, well, I need to do homework because I have an assignment that I need to watch like plays and I haven't watched them. So I need to watch the plays. But I will get back to you when I start my homework or when I order food. I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I got my food and I'm really excited to try it. So this is basically it. So I ordered chicken wings, but like boneless. I actually really like this place. I am pleasantly surprised. I am definitely going to order from them again. But right now I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna watch, well, I'm starting Lost Girl. It's a TV show. It's a TV series that I watched like so many years ago. I think like 5 years ago I discovered that series, that like it's, yeah, basically series, and it's so good, you guys. Like if you haven't watched that series, go watch it. It's honestly really good. The CW website has the whole entire like series for free, like with ads, but for free, which is so cool. So I'm gonna do that and eat because I am starving. So this is how my desk turned out. If you didn't watch my last video, I did like a desk makeover organization, and this is how it turned out. I'm really excited to use it. I'm really happy with it. I wanted to show you because I love how it turned out. So I finished eating and honestly it was so good, like 10 out of 10. But a little update on the whole Sunday reset routine here. I still need to finish up my bed and dry the things that I wore in my washer. And I still need to do my homework, which is very important, most important thing. So I do need to do that. And then I'm really excited because I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl with my boyfriend. So that is my Sunday evening plan. I tried to watch the TV series that I told you about, the Lost Girl, and I don't know why the CW website was not like working, so I couldn't watch it, but I hope I can.
Corks and bottles ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.